Hello everyone, welcome to another explanation video on how to monetize Go High Level certifications. Now before we get started, make sure to get a free trial. Down below we have a 30-day free trial for Go High Level. So definitely check it out down below and let's get started with the video. So as you know, Go High Level certifications is a great way to boost your credibility as a agency owner, for example, or as a business owner as well. Now as you can see, you get access to private communities. Not only that, but you get high level certified directory inclusion, so you can put your name on the map. When you complete out a program, your name will be added to high level certified directory, and this will give you more exposure and opens doors to new opportunities as well. Obviously, as you can see, these are the pricing before we get into how you can monetize. These are the pricing for starter plan, and then we have limitless access and premium features in our all-inclusive plan. Here are just some of the testimonials, and here obviously you can see what you can get for this particular Go High Level certification. So obviously, as you can see now, some of the certifications, benefits, and opportunities, and how you can monetize certifications is first, you get to be one of the most significant benefits of becoming Go High Level certified is the recognition and credibility it provides. But basically, it shows you that you're expert in your field, which can help you stand out amongst other professionals. Having this certification on your LinkedIn profile and other social media platforms can help you attract attention from employers and potential clients. So whenever you're on a call with a client, or wherever you're talking with clients, you can basically say and that you have a Go High Level certification, that you're a certified Go High Level expert, which will give you a way to monetize your skills accordingly. Now that's one thing. The second thing you can do is obviously you have network and community. So another advantage of obtaining Go High Level certification is the networking and community opportunities it provides. So as a certified professional, you'll have access to a community of like-minded individuals who are also committed to digital marketing and software as a service community. Now, this community will not only give you support, advice, and opportunities for collaboration and partnerships, but it will also give you a way to monetize your agency or online business if you have an online business, obviously. So these are just some of the things you can do with Go High Level certifications. Obviously, once you have certifications, as you can see right here, you can see more about certifications. So for example, what if I want everyone in my agency to be certified? Contact our account management team to see if you qualify. And as you can see here, you basically have everything you want to reply to. So as you can see, who do I have? Why do I have to have a subscription after I pass? So every question is pretty much explained right here. Also, if you contact them right here directly, you will be able to see how you can monetize them, the certifications in a more different ways as well. And yeah, this is pretty much just a surface of how you can go and monetize Go High Level certifications. Again, if you want, you can check this out and as well check out our 30-day free trial for Go High Level down below. We're giving away this, our link down below in the description for everyone that is watching this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.